Hi everyone, I'm Sophia from Simply Chinese Eats. Today, we're making a super simple yet incredibly Chinese-style poached shrimp. It's light, juicy, and packed with natural flavor. With just a few fresh ingredients and a quick cooking method, this dish comes together in no time. Let's jump right in and start cooking. Alright, first things first, let's clean up these shrimp. Start with fresh, lively ones. Nobody wants to cook with lazy shrimp. Use kitchen scissors to snip off the heads and pull out the dark vein along the back. If it's stubborn, just think of it as a tiny shrimp workout. Then sprinkle on some salt and let them soak in clean water for 5 minutes. It's like a quick spa session to get rid of all the unwanted stuff. They'll be fresh and ready to go. Now, let's get cooking. Heat your pan without adding anything, just toss in the shrimp, some green onions, ginger slices, a pinch of salt, and a splash of cooking wine. Cover and steam for 5 minutes. If you're using a cast iron pan, add a little water to prevent sticking. And here's a fun fact. The sizzle you hear is basically the shrimp saying, "Hey, I'm almost ready to party." Once done, let the shrimp cool slightly before serving. While the shrimp is cooling, let's prepare a super tasty dipping sauce. First, take a handful of scallions and slice them into thin rings. Scallions add that fresh, crisp biter. Next, grab a couple of chili peppers and chop them into small pieces. Adjust the amount depending on how spicy you want the sauce, mild tingle or full on fire. Now, peel a few cloves of garlic and give them a fine mince. Really take your time here. Finely minced garlic brings out the best flavor. Finally, get a chunk of fresh ginger, peel off the skin, and mince it up just like the garlic, small, even pieces so it blends nicely. Alright, everything's chopped now. Let's get it all into the bowl. Now pour in the hot oil carefully. Hear that sizzle? That's the aromatics releasing all their amazing flavor. Next, we'll add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Let it soak in and coat everything nicely. Then, sprinkle in a pinch of sugar to bring a touch of balance. Now, add a splash of vinegar. Take your time here, then give everything a good stir until it's beautifully mixed. And just like that, your sauce is ready, rich, fragrant, and full of flavor. And here's the final result: perfectly poached shrimp, tender and juicy. Peel, dip, and enjoy. If you liked this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Chinese eats. Next week, I'm making Sichuan-style spicy noodles. You won't want to miss it. See you then, and remember, life's too short for boring food.